Guys, let's see how we can do this problem. The question is asking, using L'Hopital's rule, evaluate the following limit if they exist. The first thing we have to do is the only situation we can add L'Hopital rule is when you have a situation where we get indeterminate values. So in this case, if you look at the values right here, they have given 2x to the power of 4 and e power minus x square. And if I apply this infinity, what will happen to this number? So if you say 2 times x power like infinity power 4, it's going to be infinity, because if you square root whatever power you put for infinity, it's going to give you an infinity, right? So this is going to be an infinity, and the other one is going to be e power minus, and if you put infinity for minus x, that's going to become 0. So infinity times 0, we don't know what's the value it's going to give, because infinity times 0, it might be another infinity, or it might be 0. So we don't know that. So that means it's called indeterminate. Therefore what we have to do is we have to use L'Hopital rule in this case. So if I use L'Hopital rule, what's going to happen is limit x approaches 0. Limit x approaches, in the L'Hopital rule, the main thing we have to do is we have to keep finding the derivative of this, whatever the value they are giving, until we reach the level where we don't have indeterminate. Then we apply the infinity and then solve the problem, right? X approaching infinity. And if I find the derivative of this one, what's going to happen? So first of all, before I go for the derivative, let's go for the derivative straight away, right? So it's going to be 2x for derivative. To show you clearly, I write this one first, e power x square derivative. Then if I go to the next step, it's going to be limit x approaches infinity, and derivative is going to be 8x cubed. And if you find the derivative of ex square is going to be ex square, but this is going to be a chain rule, therefore it's going to be ex square 2x times 2x. So let's if in this case, if I apply if I up so from this one, let's see, limit x approaches infinity. Let's simplify whatever we can simplify. So if I simplify this one, I will get the 8x cubed over 2x e power x square. So it's going to be 2x cancels, 8 cancels and comes out to be 4x cubed, 4x square, and that's going to be 4x square over ex square. And then I write it in another one, limit x approaches infinity, and 4x square over e power x square. And if I apply infinity, what's going to happen now? 4 times infinity is going to be an infinity, and e power infinity another infinity. And if you divide the infinity by infinity, it can't be an infinity or 0. We don't know what's the value we are going to get. So that's also an indeterminate situation. Therefore, I should just keep going until we get rid of this infinity. I mean indeterminate pattern. So I have to use the L'Hopital rule again. So when I use the L'Hopital rule, I have to find the derivative again. The derivative is going to be 8x over ex square, and this is going to be chain rule, and this is going to be another 2x. Now if I cancel this 2x and this one, this x is going to cancel and become, then if I cancel this 8 and it become 4. Now if I continue in the other side, it's going to be equal to limit x approaches infinity and 4 over e power x square. Now if I apply infinity, what's going to happen? 4 over e power infinity is going to be infinity. 4 over infinity is going to become 0. So I can directly say 4 over infinity, which is equal to 0. So this is my final answer for this question. And that's how we do the L'Hopital rule. I hope you guys understood this concept. See you next time.